Did you know your cat's dramatic yawn might not mean they're sleepy? It could actually be cat code for, chill out, my boy. Yep, cats sometimes yawn during tense situations as a way to say, I'm not here to fight. It's like feline conflict resolution. No claws, just a giant yawn. When your cat faces off with another animal or feels a little stressed, that big stretch and open mouth might be their version of talking things out calmly. Sure, yawning can mean they're tired or bored too, but in cat language, it's also a peace sign. So next time your kitty pulls out a slow-mo jaw stretch in the middle of drama, just know they're keeping it classy and avoiding the chaos.